Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 5 and 6 of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 10 of 12th class maths. The fifth problem is find the value of x for which x I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a unit vector. Okay, so we have to solve this for x here. Let us start solving the problem. Solution. So let x I cap plus j cap plus k cap be a unit vector, because if this is a unit vector they are asking what is x, so we have to let the given vector as a unit vector. Okay, so this implies the magnitude of this vector is 1. So magnitude of x I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to 1. So this implies magnitude of, we will multiply this x to this vector here. This is a variable scalar, right? So we can multiply x to this vector. So x I cap plus x j cap plus x k cap equal to 1. Now you know the formula for magnitude, it is root of sum of squares of the coefficients. Okay, so root of x square plus x square plus x square equal to 1. Okay, so this implies root of x square plus x square plus x square is 3x square equal to 1. Okay, now what we will do is square both sides. So squaring both sides, we will get 3x square equal to 1. Okay, now we will take 3 on the other side of the equal to sign. So x square is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so this will imply x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 3. So that means x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 is 1 divided by root of 3 is root 3. Okay, so that is the answer. Now let us go to the next problem. So sixth one. Here the question is find a vector of magnitude 5 units and parallel to the resultant of the vectors a bar equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap and b bar equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. Okay, so what we have to do is find a vector which has magnitude 5 units and which is parallel to the resultant of these two vectors. Okay, so solution. So what we will do is we will let one vector with the conditions which are given in the problem. Okay, so let c bar be a vector. Just write what is given in the question. So let c bar be a vector of magnitude 5 units and parallel to the resultant of the vectors a bar, which is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap and b bar equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. Okay, so what we will do is first find the resultant of the vectors. So resultant of vectors a bar and b bar is equal to nothing but sum of the two vectors. a bar plus b bar. Okay, so resultant means what? Sum of the two vectors. Okay, so this will be equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap plus I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So this will be equal to 2i cap plus I cap will be 3i cap, then plus 3j cap minus 2j cap will be plus j cap, and minus k cap plus k cap will be 0 k cap. Okay, now since the vector c bar is parallel to the resultant of the vectors, okay, so we will get the following thing. Okay, let us see. Since c bar is parallel to the resultant of a and b. Okay, now we have studied that if a vector is parallel to a vector, so the given vector is lambda times the another vector. Okay, so this c bar is parallel to the resultant. Okay, so what we will get is c bar is equal to lambda times the resultant vector, which is this 3i cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap. Okay, have you understood? So c bar is equal to lambda times the resultant because c bar is parallel to the resultant vector. Okay, now from here what we will get is c bar is equal to, we will multiply this lambda, and this lambda is a scalar. Okay, now we will multiply this lambda to this vector, so 3 lambda I cap, then lambda j cap plus lambda j cap, okay, and plus 0 k cap. Now we will use this condition. So this c bar is vector of magnitude 5, right? So this condition we have to use. So since c bar is a vector of magnitude 5, so therefore what we get, magnitude of c bar is equal to 5. Okay, so this implies root of 3 lambda square plus lambda square plus 0 square is equal to 5. Okay, so this implies root of 9 lambda square plus lambda square is equal to 5. So this implies root of 10 lambda square is equal to 5. So this implies, now we can square both sides. So squaring both sides, we will get 10 lambda square equal to 25. Okay, so that means lambda square is equal to 25 by 10. So lambda is equal to, by taking square root on both sides, so lambda is equal to plus or minus root of 25 by 10. Okay, so this implies lambda is equal to plus or minus 5 by root 10. Okay, because root of 25 is 5, root of 10 is root 10 only. So we have found lambda. Now we can write the c bar. Okay, so if we call this as 1, so substituting lambda equal to plus or minus 5 by root 10 in 1, we get c bar equal to, so look at the equation 1 here, lambda times this vector. So lambda is plus or minus 5 by root 10 into 3 I cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap, right, this vector here. So this implies c bar is equal to, now we will multiply plus or minus 5 by root 10 to this vector. So we will get plus or minus 15 root 10 I cap plus or minus 5 by root 10 j cap. Okay, so this only we can keep, we no need to write this 0 k cap. So this implies c bar is equal to plus or minus 15 root 10. Now we will rationalize the denominator, so we will multiply and divide by root 10. So root 10 by root 10 I cap plus 5 by root 10. Here also we will rationalize the denominator, so root 10 by root 10 j cap. Okay, so what we get is, this implies c bar is equal to 15 root 10 plus or minus 15 root 10 divided by root 10 times root 10 is 10 I cap plus or minus 5 root 10 by 10, 5 root 10 by 10 j cap. Okay, so this implies c bar is equal to plus or minus 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, so 3 root 10 by 2 I cap plus or minus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, so root 10 by 2 j cap. Okay, so c bar gives us two vectors which are satisfying the condition in the problem. Okay, because there is plus or minus, right? So what now we can do is write either plus or minus of the vector. So therefore the required vector means the vector which is satisfying the condition of the problem. Required vector is, I will write plus, okay, vector. So 3 root 10 by 2 plus root 10 okay, I cap here. So 3 root 10 by 2 I cap plus root 10 by 2 j cap. Okay, you could have also written minus 3 root 10 by 2 I cap minus root 10 by 2 j cap. Okay, so this is the answer. So that's it in the video. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.